Hey gang, it's Paul, and I'm excited to share with you the daily option watch list created by the algorithm that took me 2 years to write and test. I know in today's economy, we're all concerned about finances, whether it's saving for retirement, wanting to retire early, or just be financially independent. To create this stock algorithm, I personally spent hundreds of hours taking stock courses, paying thousands of dollars for these courses, learning all kinds of strategies. And I found a strategy that I personally like. This particular strategy is very data point heavy. It collects data from across several indicators, across several timelines for each stock, collecting all these green flags, looking for something that I call a directional trend. As you can imagine, analyzing several indicators across several timelines for each individual stock is very time consuming. That's where the algorithm comes in. It does it in seconds. I have personally curated a watch list of over 400 stocks that fit this type of strategy, and that is where the algorithm chooses from. So the real question is does this even work? Well, let me show you an example. So this is a screen cap from my friend's Webull account, and if you've done Webull before, you recognize the format. These are some of the trades he made. And as you notice, a lot of those are in the green. Going through the daily watch list the algorithm gave me, then personally going through each stock on the watch list, looking at each one individually, adding up green flags, looking for directional trends, our hit rate or success rate was about 80%. Now here's my disclaimer. Everyone's different, the stock market is unpredictable, results will vary. I'm just telling you about the results that we had. So what this program isn't, is it doesn't look for high volatility meme stocks, which can go to the moon and also lose everything. What we're looking for is consistency and predictability. And on top of that, we implement a system that hedge funds use. It's actually a variation of that system. It's called dry powder. And what that is you never invest more than half of your account. You always have half of your account in cash. Only 50% max can be invested into trades. This is because we don't want you to blow up your account, and it's mitigating risk. And here's where the algorithm comes in and why it's so important. As a human being, you would never have the time to go through 400 stocks, each indicator, each time frame, every single day. Because of the algorithm I wrote, I can go through 400 stocks looking for directional trends in a matter of seconds. This watch list then becomes a short list that I go through to find out the best possible candidates. And here's a question. Are some days actually better to trade than others? The answer is yes, according to the algorithm, and even shows which days seem to be better and which days may not be good trade days and why. So every day on my YouTube channel and on X, I'll be posting the directional trends that the algorithm says to put on your watch list for options trading for that day. This is 100% free for you, so please check my socials, YouTube, X, and TikTok at Stock Algo Trades, and like, subscribe, share, and if you're subscribed, you will get a daily watch list that the algorithm recommends every single day for free. If you'd like to support me as a new creator, I just launched a Patreon where I do daily videos actually telling you if that day is an algorithm trading day or not, and why. Also, I go through the stocks on the daily algo watch list and give my opinion of which ones are stronger and which ones are weaker choices and why. Literally just taking you through my own personal analysis I do every day on my own, just now with the camera rolling. I also explain the strategy that I use, all the time frames involved, all the indicators. These are all the data points that the algorithm uses to make a decision by, and like I said, of all the option strategies I've used, I like this one the most. I'll show you how we enter options in the system with the expiration date and the strike price, and I'll go over the exit strategy, because if you're in a trade, it would be nice to know how to get out, right? So I realized stock YouTubers can charge up to $200 a month, and algo trading companies can charge up to $1,000 a month. I want to make this accessible to everyone. And it's not hundreds of dollars a month, it's only $49.99. And there is a week free trial, so you have nothing to lose. Come in and at least watch the intro videos and get all the information and strategies that I use, at least get that information. If you were to take everything that I show you and write your own script, test it over a long period of time, and also create your own custom watch list, you would still have to pay a platform where you run the algorithm daily. I use TradingView. It costs $80 a month. That's $70 for the platform and $10 for the data. At $80, it would be more expensive for you to do this by yourself than becoming a member. Lastly, because we are now just launching these channels, for the first 100 paying members, you'll get a one-on-one phone conversation with me to ask any questions, go over anything you don't understand, discuss strategy, anything to help you launch. I really just want you to be successful, and I believe I built a tool that can help you. So for the legal disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you can see that I'm excited, and I'm excited to help you and other people and show you what I'm doing.